B2 First, FCE, Cambridge English Qualifications. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable resources for improving your English skills. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Cambridge English Qualifications, specifically focusing on the B2 First, FCE, exam. Whether you're preparing for the test or just curious about what it entails, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. The B2 First, FCE, exam, part of the Cambridge English Qualifications, is designed for learners who have achieved an upper intermediate level of English proficiency. It demonstrates that you have the language skills necessary to communicate effectively in a wide range of situations. It is widely recognized by universities, employers, and government departments around the world. The exam assesses 4 language skills: reading and use of English, writing, listening, and speaking. Each of these skills is evaluated through different tasks and formats. The Reading and Use of English section evaluates your ability to understand written texts and use English grammar and vocabulary accurately. It consists of various tasks, such as multiple choice, gap fill, and word transformation exercises. To excel in this section, you need to develop good reading comprehension skills, expand your vocabulary, and grasp the grammatical nuances of English. In the writing section, you will be assessed on your ability to produce coherent and well-structured written texts. You'll be asked to write different types of compositions, including essays, articles, letters, or reports. It's crucial to organize your ideas, use appropriate language and register, and demonstrate a clear understanding of the given task. The listening section measures your ability to understand spoken English in various contexts, such as conversations, interviews, and monologues. You'll listen to a range of audio recordings and answer questions based on what you hear. To succeed in this section, developing good listening skills is essential. Practice listening to different accents and train yourself to catch key details, main ideas, and specific information. The speaking section evaluates your ability to communicate effectively in English through face-to-face interaction with an examiner. It consists of 4 parts: an interview, a collaborative task, a long turn, and a discussion. To perform well, it's important to express your ideas clearly, use appropriate vocabulary and grammar, engage in meaningful conversations, and demonstrate good pronunciation and fluency. Now that we've covered the main sections of the B2 First, FCE, exam, let's discuss some general tips to help you succeed. 1. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. Understand the structure of each section, become acquainted with the instructions, and practice with past papers. 2. Expand your vocabulary. Work on building a wide range of vocabulary, including phrasal verbs, idioms, and collocations, as they can significantly enhance your performance in all sections. 3. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is crucial for improving your English skills. Set aside dedicated study time, work on sample questions, and consider joining a study group or finding a language exchange partner. 4. Seek feedback. Ask a teacher, mentor, or native English speaker to review your work and provide constructive feedback. This can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your language skills. Congratulations! You've now learned about the B2 First, FCE, exam, one of the Cambridge English Qualifications. Remember to focus.